All right, what is going on? Hey, welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you guys are seeing me, do me a big favor on the way in. Hit that subscribe button if you find the content useful. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're going to be continuing on with our $25 online business series where you can take $25, turn it into a six-figure income in 12 months or less. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys breaking that down step by step, how I was actually able to do that. So if you guys want to go, my recommendation is to start back on day number 1 and work yourself up to where we are today. So if you guys can see here, we got these labeled as day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and so forth, all the way down to today, which you are going to be seeing, which is actually day number 11. Okay, so today will be day number 11. Let me get rid of this one down here. Not really sure why that one is removed from there. Okay, there we go. So we'll be on day number 11 today. So the last 2 days we had set up our, this is all about the free training. So we set up our TikToks, we set up our Instagram Reels, and then today we're going to be showing you guys how to set up your YouTube short videos you're going to be using, okay? So before we do that though, let's go ahead and jump over and take a look, see where we're at. Let's hit the refresh button, see where our current total that we've created with this $25 business. Remember, it's only $25 to start. We walk you step by step how to promote it, cover everything inside the free training here on YouTube. And as you can see, we're actually up to $105,000 with this program. If you look, today is April 5th. So if we do April 1st through April 5th, so far the first 5 days of this week already, or this month, we've already made $1,952. And that is just through the first 5 days. So if you take that and times that by, what is that? 5 times 4, 6. So about another, $12,000 to $14,000 again last month with the same $25 business. We end up making from March 1st to March 31st, we end up making almost $14,000. We're hoping to see that go up to somewhere around $15,000 this month as it continues to grow month after month, because this $25 you're going to be spending, it is a recurring aspect into this business. So you're going to learn how to promote this business, but also get unlimited reoccurring $20 payments. Okay, so that's what's cool about this business. It's very simple and it's affordable for everyone. So now, guys, go ahead and watch the rest of this training. If you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. Other than that, enjoy the rest of this training, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. All right, guys, welcome back. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start setting up our YouTube Shorts channels. So this is actually a lot easier to do if you do it on your desktop or computer, setting up your YouTube Shorts. So I'm gonna jump on over here to one of my YouTube channels, and let me go ahead and log in. I'm going to log in to that first account that we had just created. So I'm going to go ahead and click add an account. I'm going to log in to, what did we call that first one up here? So we're going to log in to this very first one. And you're just going to repeat this exact same process that I'm doing right now 5 times. All right, so we'll go ahead and click next. Let's see if this will show the password. Good, it doesn't. But it's best to log in on your desktop because it just becomes a heck of a lot easier to do this. All right, so not now. All right, so once you log into, you're gonna bring to this right here where it's gonna see how you appear, create your channel. You can just leave this as your name and you're just gonna click create channel, okay? And then we'll go to log into the studio, which should take you right to it once you click create the channel. And we're actually gonna go in and start editing our channel and customizing it so that way people will see your channel and the stuff that's added to the back part of it. So what you're gonna do is come down here to where it says customization, okay? Click right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill out each one of these little spots right here, 1, 2, and 3. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to jump over to the brandings tab. This is where we're going to start. And here's where you can upload yourself a picture. Now, what I recommend doing is, because you're going to be getting a picture, you want to show it just your face, do this right here. Go up to a site called remove.bg. So it's called remove.bg. And what you're going to do is go grab yourself a picture of yourself, have someone else take it, and have it up against a background. I just took a quick snapshot of mine right here, so it'll look just like this in case you guys can see that. Let me make it bigger or show you guys bigger icons. Let me show you extra large icons. So I just took a quick snapshot of myself. It's actually better if you just kind of sit up straight and have someone take a picture of you against, a background without a whole lot of stuff on it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that and you're gonna go to remove.bg and you're gonna actually upload this onto remove.bg. And what it'll do, it'll actually completely remove your background just like that. So your background is just gone. You see, you don't have to do anything. And then you just click this download HD, okay? So there you go. I'm gonna log in right here. I already have an account. Oh, I don't want to download the full one. Sorry, go ahead and go back. What you're gonna do is just download the standard one, not the HD. I'm sorry, click the download right here and it'll download the standard version. So now you have a picture without the background on it that we can use for setting up our channels, okay? So what you do once you've done that, you come here, click upload, and then you just upload the one without a background to it. And then you can just move that around to where you want it to fit, and then click done. See, so there's your background picture, right? Now what we need to do is upload what's called a video watermark. Now I'll actually include this video watermark in maybe a file directly below this video that you can grab. What you're wanting to do is get people to subscribe to that channel. So the video watermark that I like to use is this one right here. It's just this subscribe one right here. So I'm going to include that as well. You should be able to download it somewhere below this video. And then you're going to click open, click done. And now that will put the little subscribe button at the bottom down there so you'll get more subscribers. Now the next thing that we have to do is create a banner image, all right? So what you do is you go over to Canva, okay? So Canva looks just like this. And what you do right here is you just type in the word YouTube, okay? And then that will go look this up. And what you're going to need is this one right here that's called the YouTube channel art, okay? So it's 2560 by 1440. You're going to click on that one. It's going to give you a bunch of suggestions, okay? Now, one of the best ones that I recommend using to get started with is just this one right here. This is the easy one to use. You'll realize when you're seeing these images too, you want to keep these small and in the center just like that. Not like these big ones, but small and in the center. And this is the easiest one I recommend to do. So I usually just choose that one. It looks like that has a bunch of background pictures on it. Now you can change those background pictures if you want to. Let me actually pull this up over here. And I'm just going to do a quick example for the first one. You can actually repeat that if you wanted to, okay? So this is the one that I did right here. I'm going to show you guys how to recreate this exact same picture right here, all right? So what we do is you can type in right here whatever you want. I'm just going to type in just like I did over here, escape the 9 to 5 grind, all right? So that's what's going up there. And then let me move my mic up here a little bit. And we'll change this right here because you're going to put up daily videos, right? So it's just daily. Let's change that font real quick to something that's more readable. We'll just do horizons, all right? So we'll do daily videos for the do-it-yourself entrepreneur. All right. Daily videos for the DIY entrepreneur. Now I'm going to change that up just a little bit. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger, just a little bit smaller there. I'm going to change this font as well. You can play with this, guys, to make it look however you want. There's lots of fonts that you guys can choose over here along the left-hand side. But just, kind of play with this for a few minutes because we're just going to create one of these and we're going to use it on all of the videos for, or all the channels that we've creating for these different YouTube Shorts accounts. So let me take a look here. Arbico Black. No, don't want to do that one. All right, let's take a look here. I'm just going to pick one more quick and we'll just use this League Spartan probably. Nope. Anton. Nope. All right, we'll just go with that one right there. All right, so basically that's what it is. It doesn't have to be anything special. If you want to, you can go and change these pictures back here. You can change this to a different color. You just kind of play with this. If you want to do pink, if you want to do blue, it doesn't really much matter. But you just want to keep it in that center pretty much. And what you're going to do is you're going to download this. And then you're going to choose this JPEG option right here, okay? But make sure you keep everything in the center, and I'm going to show you why here in just a second. So once that's downloaded, which we're doing right now, when you come back over here to upload your art, when you click upload, right? So that's the one we just created. Like if you click on this, right? Oh, let me do this. I'm sorry. I forgot to add this. I like to add my pics. Remember where I showed you a second ago where we go get someone to take a picture of yourself? So let me click upload my image, and this one that has no background on it. So I'm going to upload this one. And then I can actually add this. You're going to take this right here. Leave that right there for right now. Ooh, let's undo that. Back that up. Okay. I want to get myself, but I want to crop it. Okay. I want to crop this down. So it's just this part right here. And I'm going to crop my arms up off the bottom. So something sort of like that and click done. Okay. Now what I can do is I can take this image and I'm going to shrink this thing down pretty small, even though it looks small right here. And then you can place that right there next to that image just like that. Now download this right here. You want it to be kind of small. When I download this, then you'll see that this makes a really cool picture for our YouTube thumbnail or YouTube channel art, right? So we're gonna come here. We're gonna click this little upload button, and there's the channel art that we just created with our picture on it. If you guys can see that right there, we're gonna click open. And then there you go. See, so this is what it's gonna look like, viewable on all devices right there. So I want to actually go back. See how that doesn't quite do it on all the devices. I'm going to click cancel real quick. I'm going to jump back over. I'm actually going to take this one right here, and I'm going to slide it that way just a little bit over more, something like that right there, and then move myself. It may take you 1 or 2 times to do this, but just get that so it's kind of straight in the center, because you want all of that to be viewable over there. So I'm going to move that over a little bit more, stretch that way, and that should do it right there. So let's take a look at that. That looks pretty good. I'm going to click download one more time, JPEG, and download. So now we'll come back over here, click the upload button, wait for that to finish downloading. Let me click upload. There's the newest one, and click open, because you want that. See how that's there now, viewable on all devices. So my face is there, and then it shows this 9 to 5 grind. So I can click done, right? Long as everything fits in that little smaller box right there, you're good to go. Now for some basic information, here's where you're going to put your information at, right? So go up here. I'm going to give you guys this. This is what I put in mind. So I'm an entrepreneur, affiliate marketing expert who specializes in helping others generate passive income. So basically, I'm going to put this as a file as well. And you can make, you can basically just copy and paste this if you want to. Just change out your link down here. So whatever your YouTube Shorts link is, put that right there. So let me go grab this, because I use my YouTube Shorts. Oh, I have not gone and grabbed my YouTube Shorts URL yet. I'll go ahead and do that here in just a second. But make sure you change right down here. Put your URL that goes to your YouTube Shorts. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of this. I'm going to copy it over here on the basic info. You just paste that in right there. Okay, and it'll also put in like your link and all that kind of stuff right inside your basic information. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to add a link. So I haven't done mine yet. So haven't added my haven't went and purchased my actual one for the YouTube Shorts yet. So I'm just going to add right here. Right here, if you want to do it, you can put make 6 figures online, right? And then what you would do is, since I haven't went and got mine yet, I'm just going to show you an example right here. You would just put in your URL that goes to, if this was my URL, so a Fastlane affiliate right here was my YouTube Shorts, that's what you would put right here inside the links part right there. Okay, so and what I do is you just change that to the first link in the banner, and then you can put a contact information if you want to, but you don't have to. It's totally up to you. Then you're gonna hit this publish button. Okay, so hit that publish, and let's go take a look at the layout. So this is all good for right now. So you got a shorts video section, which is all that's going to be displayed, because we're going to keep everything under 60 seconds. So you don't have to touch any of this stuff right here right now, because you'll already have these shorts videos, and you're good to go. So this one right here, we can actually remove the upload section, and you're gonna have just a shorts video section. Okay, all right, click the published, and we should be good to go. So this is your first channel. It should be up. This is what the channel will now look like. As you can see, you'll have your face on it. It'll have escape the 9 to 5 grind, daily videos for the DIY entrepreneur. And at any time that you want to come back and edit this, you just come back, log in to your channel right here, and if you just click on the actual view channel, or you can click right here. So if you're on your dashboard, if you just click right here to view the channel, or you can come back to the customization. You can customize your channel right here and manage your video. Those are the 2 points that you can get to, both of those, which are down here. So that's the customization. And you can do that and change stuff up as you see fit. But that's all that you had to do. So now you have this right here. And when people go to the about, they have the description right here, right? So here's the description, what you do. It has your link down here, and it has your links right here, make 6 figures. But also up here on your right-hand corner, you have a link right here. See, so if someone clicks that right there, it's going to take them over to the product you guys are promoting. Same way down here, it'll have the link and take you to whatever you are promoting. All right, and that's all there is to it. Now, what you're gonna do is repeat that process another 4 times. So you're gonna go through each one of these right here. And what's cool about this is when you go and log into your next one, you have everything that you need already. You can use this exact same header across all of them, or you can go back in if you want to be, creative. You can change this. It's up to you if you want to change all those around. They have a bunch of different art ones that they have. But this one seems to work the best, just because it always gets right in the center there, and it ends up looking really good on the channel just like that, and it looks good on all devices. So I would recommend starting with this one. Even if you want to change the background completely, you can do that. So you can go in, just use that middle section to make sure everything stays the way it is, and then add your own background, just like this. It's not hard, guys. So what you'll do is, if you wanted to leave this, you could just delete this, delete this, delete this. I think you can change this layout too. To one more. Let me see if you can change this layout. I believe that you can. So, and then actually I think you just click delete that. Yeah, so that's deleted. And then if you want to have a photo, right? So if you have some other photo that you want to use, say you want to use this one as your background, you can actually just take this, add it to your background. Then you go up here to the positioning, and then you just move to the backwards, right? So you move it to the back, and then look, there is a brand new one. Same way with this art right here. Like if you wanted to delete this, let's delete all these real quick, and then you click this whole thing and delete it. You can go grab any type of photo. One of the best places you can go get photos too, if you guys want to change up the background, is something called like pexels.com. So you can go to Pexels, and then you can just search like, if you want to search like, I don't know, if you want to search for like something fancy in the background like this, you want to put this right here in your background, you can download this. So it downloads that JPEG right there. And then what you can do is come right back over to here, take this JPEG, just drop it right on into there. It'll upload it. Then you can take this picture right here if you want it to make, you know, just fancy. You can do this, like I said, it's totally optional. Like you don't have to go crazy with it. And then there you go. So now take a look at this one. If we download this one, you can change the background for each one if you wanted to. Download the JPEG, right? Give that a second. It's still uploading right there. So once that finishes, I can download this JPEG just like this. So go here, choose the JPEG option, download. Right now, what I can do now is jump over here. I'm going to log out of this one. So we can go ahead and switch accounts. And I'm going to add a new account, which is going to be our second one, which is right here. Oh, I got to log out because I'm signed into my maximum right here. All right, so continue. So let me go and log out of this one. All right, so I quickly logged out of those other ones so I can log back in to this, to the new account. So I'm going to click create channel, same thing as the we did before. And it's just a quick process because now, like everything else is going to pretty much be the same, but you just change the channel art around. So as soon as you're done, you come right on in, hit that customization, go to your branding. Guess what we've done? We've already uploaded. We already got our picture right there. Boom. You can use the same picture. Click done. Come right here. We downloaded, uploaded our second one. So we have this one, upload. Right there it is. Click done. And right here we click upload and we're going to click the subscribe. All right. Done. Come over to the basic info, paste in that information that I provided with you guys, which is right there. I'll have to go back and get access to that, but I'll have to copy that and paste that in right there because I've logged out of everything by accident. But you go in, add in the information, add in your link again, and then you save this branding information. So I'm going to publish this without doing these two right here real quick, just so that you can see what it's going to look like. And now you'll have a brand new channel with the second one that you created, and you'll just repeat this process all the way down through. So go check this out. Now we go to this one. It looks similar, but look, now we have the cool background, escape the 9-to-5 grind. You can change it, customize the channel. When they go to the about, they'll have the information that you should be putting in right there, which was part of that doc. So that's it. Repeat that now for a total of 5 times using Canva. I recommend using that one right there. Go use the remove background once you take a picture of yourself so you can add it to your thumbnails. And if you want to change backgrounds, you can use things like Pexels to find different types of backgrounds that you can use for your YouTube channel art. But that's it, guys. Go get those done, and we'll see you guys in the next video.